Good morning, everyone. Today we will show you our experiment called the bouncy egg. So we need vinegar, raw egg, container, tissue, and gloves. So first, we put the egg in the cup and pour the vinegar enough to cover the egg.
Oops, ayaw kayo din.
After a few minutes, the bubbles pour around the egg. That is the sign a chemical reaction is happening. Just like what is happening. After 24 hours, the cell was completely gone. What was left was a rubbery egg covered only by a thin membrane. We already tried the experiment at home. So we brought our finished sample here today. After salt and vinegar, hours, the egg looked like this.
It takes how many hours?
This happens because the eggshell is made of calcium carbonate. The vinegar has acetic acid so when they react, the acid dissolves the eggshell and makes the carbon dioxide bubbles. So our experiment showed that vinegar can dissolve the eggshell and turn the raw egg into a soft fancy egg. Thank you.